me ask you, mate. Is this fucking thing working? Huh? Is it? Is it? Dreadlock update. Guess it's working. Yeah, really, I'm gonna become a narcissist here on this channel. Seems to be one of the only ways to get noticed here on YouTube, huh? A locsicist. I'm gonna talk all about my locks all the time and how amazing my life is. But for real though, YouTube is about you, or in this case, me. So why wouldn't I be like that? I have a lock here that needs some dealing with. It's coming loose. The braid is coming loose. I have another lock here that I braided as well the other day. Where'd it go? Might have came undone. I think it was this one. Either way, I went away for 2 weeks, Western Canada, and I didn't wash my hair when I was away. I didn't get it wet, but I sweated. And what happened was, I washed my hair when I got back. Used some bar soap by Free the Roots. It did the trick. Anyways, I gotta go. Thanks for watching.
The nation.